Immigration to the United Snacks of India, Mumbai. Time is only waiting the appetite for traditional and branded packages of snacks on the table and in the market as value. Sales of Save Bhujia and Namkeen matched those of Western munching during 2023 to 2024. The latter comprise the potato wafers and the finger sticks products such as bhujia, dal and etc. fried nuts. For half of the salty snacks, sales of about rupees 50,800 crores during the financial year, with both overseas and domestic companies pushing namkeen in the hinterland industry. The trend has been expanding much faster post pandemic as Indian snacks accounted for 49% of total salty snacks sales in 2021 to 2022 as well as 2023 to 2024. In terms of the volume, traditional snack account for nearly 56% of overall market. Indians have a general taste for authentic food which is now reflected in snacks as well as said by Suresh Goyal, Chief Executive of Bikanerwala Food, which owns the brand as well as the Bikaner. More than a decade, potato chips and finger sticks accounted for nearly two-thirds of the snacks market, controlled primarily by earlierly Western snacks. I repeat, earlierly Western snacks sold by big companies had deeper reach, which is getting reversed as traditional snacks maker. By expanding their distribution and penetrate small villages, said Goel. By volumes, traditional snacks have been the bigger segment for many years from now, mainly because by offer large quantities of a similar price point, the most popular beginning rupees 5 and rupees 10 packs. Nearly 40% of the snacks market is controlled by 3000 odd smaller or regional player, which gives more value to the customers in terms of extra or also more launching products.